24 hours. We put these guys in yesterday. While the weather's cooperating, I'm going to open it up and take the cage out, the queen cage, put that other rack back in. So I'm just going to go for it. Move this canister over to the side. I'm going to lift this off.
They're all over the other side too.
Set it down.
Yeah, this would be on your head.
I'm going to lift this rack off.
I'm feeling you good in my tummy. Mom, can these things clean this off?
Well, I don't really know how I'm going to go about this. It's right over here.
Are these in stinky mode right now, Mom? Those are a lot of the talented bees. That's my...
Oh, I see it. I'm just trying to hook it. Pull the cage out. Maybe. Might have to take that into one of these racks. I want to set it down, but I don't want to crush it. I'm just going to try to hold on to him here. I'm going to reach in here and pull this cage out. Make sure the queen bee's out. I mean, the marshmallow is definitely gone. Shake them off there. The queen bee is out of her cage. So, set this over here off to the side. Put these racks back in. I don't want to crunch them, but they're everywhere here. Make some room over here. So the majority of the bees are down here on this other side. That must be where the queen is hanging out. So the rack back in. Getting in and out of that feeder. Should be pretty good. We'll check that in another day or so. Make sure that they still have plenty of food. Put that on. Back up here. Remove this box. Take this with us too.